How about in the, oh, okay, you, yeah, standing in the red.
I'm curious to know, given your concern about World War III starting, and Putin is facing sanctions from the rest of the world and the collapse of oil prices, which certainly gives him a fair amount of financial power. Do you think that is slowing him down, or it might speed him up?
It's a great question. Basically, the question is, can sanctions, logical tools short of weapons, which, and I don't think the U.S. or the West is going to be sending troops anytime soon, can anything else slow down Putin? I thought the answer would be yes, but it just doesn't seem to be having any effect. The opposite seems to be true. I read a terrifying comment from someone in Putin's cabinet yesterday and said, the West does not understand that they're talking about more economic sanctions. This is not about economics. This is a holy war. And, well, we all know what holy wars lead to. Well, Fyodor wants to add that equally as dangerous as nuclear weapons are the culture of lies and corruption that Russia is spreading throughout the world, mostly having a strong effect in parts of Ukraine and even parts of Europe. But Fyodor thinks that's an equally dangerous weapon.